Hey, what's up, everybody? Hope everybody's doing good. I know I haven't been on YouTube for a while. Gonna try and do more regular content. Should be having some stuff coming for the Chevy Corvette, so I'm gonna do some videos on that. Today I'm gonna do a little update video on the S13 240SX. Have some stuff here. So I'm going to show you what I have and then show you the current state of the car, maybe give you a brief history if you don't know what I was running before on the car, before the engine got damaged. So these are some pistons that I got. I think they're Wiseco pistons and eagle rods. So I'm going to be using these. Some King Race bearings here. Let's see what we can see. So they're rod bearings and main bearings, I believe. Let's see if I can get this. And then this is my ECU. So what's this here? Oh, some stickers. It's not a Mega Square 3. It's actually a Mega Square 2. It was running on a Ford EDIS trigger, ignition trigger system. So I got it converted to run an AEM. AEM sells these trigger discs that go into the SR20 CAS. So I actually had it modified to read that. I'm going to be running K20 coils. So I need to get some K20 coils. So this is my old Mega Square, my old Mega Square 2. So yeah, so let me show you what's going on with the car now. Alright, so got the car uncovered. Let's see what's going on here now. Alright, so engine is not here. The block is actually done by my mechanic. See if I can find. Oh, so this is some of the EDIS setup here, along with a resistor for the injectors. I was running, I think they're 850cc top feed injectors. That's what was in the car before. I have Megan Racing coilovers, but I suspect that I need to change those now. They've been so old. And here's actually a lizard in the car. So I'm thinking of sending this out and probably getting it. Like if the engine is out, there's some surface rust here. I might as well deal with that. And then kind of neat up some of the wiring. When we did this, you know, it was more of function than being neat. So a lot of the stock wiring, even though I'm on a standalone, a lot of the stock wiring was just left in there. Let's go inside and I'll show you some of the stuff that's going on in there. Alright, so here we are. Ignore some of this crap here. This is actually the I kind of put this over the dashboard to protect the dashboard from the sun, but it kind of disintegrated. So I actually have S14 seats in here. The roof liner is coming down. I'm just noticing that. Haven't been in this car in such a long time. All right, so a little bit of the setup that was in the car. I had a Jim Wolf C3 cams, Brian Crow valve springs and retainers. I was running a Mega Squirt with 850cc injectors on a TDO 620G turbo. Had a ACT, I think it's a 6-puck clutch, and I think it was all running on 18 pounder boost. I didn't dyno it on the 18 pounds, but when I just did the setup on 5 or 6 psi, it made 250 wheel horsepower. So I didn't dyno it after we went up to 18. What else is there? I need to get back a factory steering wheel, and this cheap eBay steering wheel is not cutting it. So I need to get one. If I can't get one for the 240, I guess I get one from like a B13 Sunny. But I need to try and get one. I should probably get some more of these pieces. Maybe check eBay and see if I can get them before they get more impossible to get. I actually have, and I'm going to show you, I actually have two 180SX doors that are going to switch around. Those doors actually have covers and everything on them. So I'm going to change up the doors for that. There is some rust. There's a hole. I don't remember exactly where it is. I think it's right here. So there is some rust underneath the car. And pretty much that's it for this car. Now the plans are to fit everything back up together, because I was running stock internals in terms of like pistons and rods, and I had a little detonation incident, and kind of, I think it was on cylinder number 4. So I'm doing everything over with the wide scope pistons and the eagle rods. I'm just gonna run back the same 18 pounds of boost on the 20G, convert the stuff to the K20 coils, and run the Nissan factory sensor, ignition sensor, with the AEM disc, trigger disc inside. Bodywork the car, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it this color. Still debating that. And I definitely probably need to go to 5 lug, which I should probably show. So currently I'm 4 lug, because when I set up this car in 2005, 2006. So I mean, there was stuff, but it was easier to keep it 4 lug at the time. I'm actually have a spacer there, and Megan Racing coils. I need to go. This is actually J30 brakes, so they're much bigger than the stock brakes. So Infinity J30 brakes, with the disc re-drilled to 4 lug. It's actually a 5 lug car, the J30. So I'm gonna go 5 lug and probably use Q45 or Z brakes for the front. But yeah, pretty much that's it for this car. Like I said, I have more Corvette stuff coming up, and definitely some other stuff with the Type R too. But this year I'm going to focus more on the Corvette, and also on this. Have some stuff to do with the Lada too. I'm going to do a video on that, and of course the Mercedes, the W108. So definitely gonna try and get some more content out. Alright, thanks guys for watching, and you know, let me know what you guys would love to see, and I'll see you next time.